Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Would you like to add a background track to enhance the overall tone of your raw footage? In this video, I have found the best editor for both Windows and Mac, perfect for adding audio tracks to any video. Let's go. Right now, this tool is my personal favorite because it eliminates the need for separate editors. It combines video and image enhancements, conversion, and compression into one convenient dashboard. Most importantly, it has a special feature that allows you to easily add audio tracks to bring your videos to life. Do you want to try it now? You can use my link below to download the software directly and enjoy a free trial offer for first-time use to fully experience all features. Once the software is installed on your computer, head straight to the Converter tool and import your video. Next, click the audio track menu at the bottom right of the taskbar and hit the plus button to add your music. After adding the audio track, configure the output video format. You can either keep the original format or choose from a variety of formats under the Video tab. You can customize the video resolution to ensure optimal quality. Finally, click Convert to merge the imported audio with your video. When the conversion is complete, you can switch to the Finished tab to locate and check the video you edited. Just for reference, check out how my video transformed from muted footage to having an engaging background track. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.